Northeast India. I run a concept kitchen called Mamazaki from Guwahati, Assam. It's been 6 years I've been in this food industry, and I started cooking during lockdown. I started with experimental cooking, where I started experimenting with the local ingredients which was available in my region, and I felt like we were like blessed with a lot of ingredients, herbs and products which was not very much showcased well in the mainland India, and I felt like it has a lot of potential. So I started experimenting with a lot of our local ingredients, and that's how I came up with Mamazaki. Mamazaki is a concept kitchen where we celebrate local ingredients, local flavors, and try to fusion it with different flavors and different cooking techniques and different cuisines to present it to a wider audience, to for people to come and try our food, because there is a concept about northeastern food that it's smelly and it's like very non-vegetarian, but it's not like that. We have a different wide array of ingredients like herbs, aromatic herbs, then ingredients and produce, which is which has a lot of potential, and everyone who has come here for the Mamazaki pop-up at Train has loved the food, and they were also surprised that wow, northeastern food can taste so different and so good also. So it's not about food and all, it's about bringing the ingredients which is there to a city of Hyderabad where people can come and enjoy. There is a lot of similarities also, like we have the aromatic short grain rice, Joha rice, which is only found over there. Here, since Hyderabad loves their biryani and we also love biryani, we have our style of biryani which is mutton and Joha rice. I am presenting an arancini ball, which is replicating our biryani for the Hyderabadi people. You love chai, we also love chai, and Assam is famous for its chai, and we are presenting a dessert which has chai in it.
Can you show us some of the ingredients that you're preparing?
Yeah, sure. We have the aromatic lemon of Assam, which is the Kazi lemon of Assam, which is only found over there. And I am also presenting here some really nice tangy condiments using that Kazi lemon. Like the hottest pepper, the ghost chili, the bhoot jolokia. We have so many dishes here, which has ghost chili in it, and it has a nice spice and nice heat. So our food is not about a lot of spices, it's about flavors. This is the orange blossom salad, which has a lot of northeastern ingredients in it. This is a salad inspiration from Arunachal Pradesh, where I worked in this place called Chugveli, where they have orange orchards, like very juicy orange orchards. So I'm celebrating that region on this plate, where I'm using a lot of fresh elements like orange, then beetroot, pickled radish, the toasted rice from Manipur, which is the black rice of Manipur. Then we have some bhoot jolokia hot honey. So I have made a honey condiment using the hottest pepper, which is the king chili. And then we have some perilla seeds also on top, which is again very popular in Manipur. So it's basically northeast in a plate as a salad.
So there are many ingredients and herbs of Northeast. Can you show us about it?
Yeah. We can. So here you can see, this is the aromatic Kazi lemon of Assam, which is again GI tagged, which is only grown over there, and it's very nice. It's very refreshing. You can have it in your juice. Kazi lemon, Kazi lemon. You can have it in your juice, in your drinks. You can have it in with your lunch meal. Just a squeeze of this lemon, and it's like dal bhat. It goes really nice. Then we have the king chili, the hottest pepper, which we call as bhoot jolokia. Um, Here we have some dried rosella flowers, which again comes from the Gongura family. Yeah, this again, like we are presenting this in our two of our dishes here at Rain Kitchen. This is the Manipuri black rice, which is again from Manipur. This is also presented in one of our dishes here. I would love for you all to come and experience these flavors and food from Northeast, which we are so rich and vibrant with all these ingredients, and it's less on spice, but like more on flavor. You will get to know about like all these ingredients. You will get to taste like what Northeast has to offer.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you have to tell about the health and the beauty of Northeast?
We it's like our food is very much less on oil and spice, okay? It's like more on flavor. So I think it has to do a lot with like what kind of food we are eating and what all like we are consuming. So yeah, like fresh element, a lot of fresh elements, a lot of fresh ingredients. That's mostly like most of the things about Northeast is celebrating our flavors and ingredients in our plate, and not like masking it with lot of spices or masala and oil. As you have seen all the lovely and wonderful ingredients from Northeast India, I would welcome you all to Rain the Chef Studio at Leela Hyderabad till 3rd of May to experience this Northeastern food with us.